As video cards and CPUs are fundamental for any great gaming PC, so are the motherboards. Without them, no rig is complete. Furthermore, it would not be an exaggeration if we say that they are genuinely great heroes of PC. So if you are looking mainly for the best Z370 motherboard for gaming, then you are at the right place. As we've gathered the top Z370 motherboards that provide you with the super fast speed for your high-intensity gaming. Not only this, but for maximum versatility and to deliver great storage and computing experience, they also include AORUS option with built-in Intel Optane memory support. But we know it is often difficult to choose which motherboard is suitable for your gaming PC and which is not. Therefore, to assist you with finding the best that suits your requirements, we have make a list for you. Let's jump into it without wasting time. To get more information on any of these products, check out the links in the description box below for more information, and don't forget to subscribe to Gaming Gadgets Geeks YouTube channel. Starting our list with the ASUS ROG STRIX Z370E Gaming. With all bells and whistles, ASUS ROG STRIX Z370E Gaming is one of the best Z370 motherboards for overclocking and gaming available in the market so far. As to provide maximum connectivity speed, great stability, and the best gaming experience, ASUS ROG STRIX Z370E Gaming motherboard specifically supports 8th generation Intel Core processors. Furthermore, for providing you with high-end performance, this Z370 Super motherboard has all the features which one can imagine, including 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, gigabit LAN, dual M2, Intel Optane memory, and USB 3.1. In addition to this, with easy compatibility for Crossfire and SLI, this motherboard possesses 3 PCIe X16 expansion slots. Moreover, for M2 drives, it features dual slots, one slot uses SATA connection. On the other hand, the second one uses PCIe lanes. Not only this, but it also boasts 4 smaller PCIe 4X slots for additional networking cards and Intel Optane. You know what? Its auto-tuning 5-way optimization and fanspurt make it handy for overclocking and for gaming, as they provide balanced cooling and are automatic to tune overclocking profiles. Moreover, if we look at the back of this motherboard, then some exceptional features are present there as well. For instance, for 8-channel HD sound, there are noteworthy 5 sound jacks, various USB ports, and 2 connectors for the included Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antennas. Plus, it does not require any additional networking cards as all the networking which you desire is already built in. In 2021, ASUS ROG STRIX Z370E Gaming has become a #1 choice for those people who have good aesthetic sense, as it has customizable ASUS AORUS Sync RGB lighting with elegant design and neutral color, which makes it the most attractive above all Z370 motherboards available in the market. ASUS ROG STRIX Z370E Gaming motherboard should be on the top of your list, as we are sure that it is not going to disappoint you with its outstanding features. There is no denying that ASUS ROG STRIX Z370E Gaming is the top-rated Z370 motherboard for overclocking and gaming available in the market. However, there are some cons to this motherboard as it is expensive, but they are not one of those disadvantages which can break the deal. So for having a good gaming experience and extraordinary performance, go and get your ASUS ROG STRIX Z370E Gaming now for your 8th generation Intel Core processor. At number 2, it's GIGABYTE Z370 AORUS Gaming Wi-Fi. If you are searching for a godlike gaming board, then there is no need to look further as you have found GIGABYTE Z370 AORUS Gaming Wi-Fi. GIGABYTE Z370 AORUS Gaming Wi-Fi motherboard is arguably the best Z370 chipset motherboard for gaming, with versatility and exceptional build quality. Let's start with the looks of this motherboard, which are outstanding because it has tons of built-in RGB lighting present on various spots, including VRM heat sinks, RAM slots, PCIe slots, and I/O shield, which make your systems looks more attractive. Not only this, but you can also do customization and lighting as they are controlled by RGB Fusion software of GIGABYTE. Aside from its appearance, what makes it the best Z370 motherboard is its various expansion slots, particularly PCIe 16X slots, which can be utilized in Crossfire and SLI configurations. In addition to this, it has a PCIe 1X slot as well. Concerning back I/O, this motherboard has a noteworthy 5 PS2 port and USB 3.1 ports. PS2 port is not just for connecting the PlayStation, but it is here for connecting antique keyboards and mouse because an enthusiastic game lover preferred these mice while playing games. Not only this, but the Z370 AORUS also conveys smooth graphics and excellent FPS on account of the E2500 gaming network, and this is the main feature that took it to the top in the gamers list. What else? With warm heat sinks and aggressively redesigned armor, its reliability and performances are becoming the most favorite of all multitaskers. And that's not all. Due to extraordinary cooling effects, AORUS motherboards will surpass your desires for sure. So if you are an enthusiastic game lover and your system remains involved in multiple tasks, then the GIGABYTE Z370 AORUS Gaming Wi-Fi is the best option for you, which has exceptional gaming features and colorful motherboard. With the best aesthetics and vibrant RGB, the GIGABYTE Z370 AORUS Gaming Wi-Fi is an extraordinary board that appeals to various gamers. It additionally gives versatility and excellent build quality. So it is the best motherboard if you are on a budget and looking for high-end performance. However, it has some cons, but still, it is one of the most amazing Z370 motherboards as it works perfectly, provides stability to your system, and keeps it safe from any damage. At number 3, it's MSI Z370 Pro. When looking for the most inexpensive motherboard but do not want to compromise on the quality, then look no further as MSI Z370 Pro is there. This exceptional motherboard is exclusively designed to support a wide range of processors, including 9th i9-9900K, i5-9600K, i7-9700K, and 8th generation Intel Core Celeron Pentium Gold processors for socket H4. It means whatever processor you have, MSI Z370 Pro will be a great solution for your system as it fits into any system. This motherboard is not designed to impress you with its RGB lighting or body looks, rather designed to provide you with high-quality performance. However, heat sinks and RGB lighting add beauty, but they are not those features that should be on the top of professionals as they actually look for the motherboard, which is reliable and efficient at work. MSI Z370 Pro supports DDR4 memory up to 4000 plus MHz and offers overclocking performance. In addition to this, it provides your ears with high-quality sound, and a heavily plated heat sink feature gives long-lasting cooling effects. Moreover, this motherboard is packed with such features that add more speed to your system's memory and provide more stability to your system. Not only this, but it also aids in loading data faster, running programs efficiently, and boosting up productivity. If we talk about the storage of MSI Z370 Pro, then it is according to the professional's desires as it has one M.2 slot and 6 SATA ports. Besides this, on the back, it is also equipped with 6 ports for USB connectivity and 6 PCIe slots. On the other hand, the rear I/O comprised of a PS keyboard mouse combo port, 3 video outputs, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 4 USB 3.0 ports, 6 plug audio stack, and last but not least the LAN port, which makes it perfect for professional users. So if you are looking for a high-quality motherboard that is more durable than steel and exceptional in performance, then MSI Z370 Pro is made for you. This is the best Z370 motherboard for overclocking and the choice of every professional. So, if you don't want to break your budget, then MSI Z370 Pro is the best motherboard for you as it is not expensive. Although it is not very good looking, it works efficiently, keeps connectivity, provides super fast speed and stability to your system. Moreover, this motherboard is of incredible value for overclockers and enthusiastic gamers as it reduces motion sickness and provides an excellent virtual reality game experience without interruption. At number 4, it's ASROCK Z370 Extreme 4. If you've already spent too much money on RAM, processors, and video cards, then don't worry as ASROCK Z370 Extreme 4 motherboards are available now for you to save your dollars. This motherboard comes with an exceptional feature that doesn't appeal to only game lovers but to system builders as well. Now you must be looking at how it does perform. So let's start to look at its features without wasting time. ASROCK Z370 Extreme 4 comes packed full of exceptional features specially designed for your 8th generation Intel Core processor for socket H4 with solid VRM to avoid any kind of voltage issues. Moreover, it provides system stability, exceptional overclocking, and power delivery without any interruption to your PC due to its 12 power phase design. Besides this, its Hyper DDR4 feature offers outstanding memory performance to its user. You know what? If you want to enjoy excellent audio performance, then ASROCK Z370 Extreme 4 is obvious for you as it has Purity Sound 4, which improves the overall quality of audio. Furthermore, to prevent you from any signal interference and to make heavy graphic card installation like a piece of cake, it has PCIe steel slot. Want to create your own brilliant, colorful, and bright lighting system? Then don't worry, as ASROCK Z370 Extreme 4 offers you RGB LED and RGB header, through which you can connect the LED strip to make your own attractive lighting system. Moreover, to deliver data at the maximum speed, this super motherboard is equipped with front USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C, which offers data delivery up to 5 Gbps, and dual Ultra M2 for SSD. In addition to this, to offer a high-quality experience and to provide super stability to your system, it is featured with Intel LAN. So, if you want a motherboard with exceptional performance without breaking the bank, then ASROCK Z370 Extreme 4 is best for you. As it is a comparatively cheap motherboard but incorporates extraordinary features, including 12 power phase design, with dual stack MOSFET and chokes to provide its users with an ultimate experience. But wait! Before making any decision, let's have a look at its specifications. Undoubtedly, ASROCK Z370 XTREME4 is one of the best Z370 motherboards, which offers you amazing features, high-end performance, and a pleasant aesthetic. If you are thinking of buying ASROCK Z370 XTREME4, then its durable body, exceptional quality components, and fantastic design are adequate reasons to purchase this motherboard. However, prominent overclocking, high-quality sound, and efficiency are all just a reward. So get your ASROCK Z370 XTREME4 motherboard now to have an incredible gaming experience. At number 5, it's ASUS TUF Z370 Plus Gaming. If you need a motherboard which is durable, reliable, and has excellent speed, then you should look into ASUS TUF Z370 Plus Gaming. This motherboard has all the features that professional users desire. It means that with this all-rounder motherboard, you don't need to compromise on any of the features, as the game lovers highly praise it. You know what? By providing an LGA 1151 socket and an Intel Z370 chipset, it allows its users to build the 8th generation Intel Core desktop system. In addition to this, to make it more durable for you, it incorporates components like tough chokes, tough LAN guard, tough MOSFETs, and tough capacitors. Thanks to ASUS TUF Z370 Plus Gaming's 2 PCIe 3.0x16 slots that permit you to build your gaming framework. Moreover, you can have up to 64 GB of DDR4 memory modules, as 4 DIMM slots are available there for this purpose. In addition to this, to provide its user with maximum storage, this motherboard is equipped with 2 M2 slots and 6 SATA connections that are compatible with PCIe and SATA-based SSDs. What's more, it also has an AORUS Sync RGB lighting and header to brighten your system and to make it more attractive and appealing. Not only this, but for ensuring an exceptional balance of acoustic and cooling performance, it is equipped with FanSpert Core 4. Moreover, it has M2 heat sinks to keep your M2 drive super cool and to improve unwavering quality and to convey steady storage performance. Unfortunately, there are some motherboards that are not reliable, but this is not the case with the ASUS TUF Z370 Plus Gaming motherboard. As for ensuring long-term reliability, this best Z370 motherboard has ESD guards, DG plus VRM, safe slot, DDR4 overvoltage protection, and stainless steel back IOA, which is unbreakable. So, if you are looking for the best Z370 motherboard for overclocking and gaming, then no motherboard can beat ASUS TUF Z370 Plus for sure, as it is all-rounder motherboard that comes with all bells and whistles and can bring its competitors to their knees without any doubt. So, if you are seeking every feature in one motherboard, then ASUS TUF Z370 Plus Gaming is one of the ideal motherboards for you, as it has arguably everything that a professional user and game lovers required. Moreover, this Z370 motherboard will win your heart for sure by its high-end performance, long-term durability, and unmatched speed. We must say that this is one of the best Z370 motherboard for gaming, which money can buy. We know that it is complicated to select the best motherboard for your system, as there are varieties of motherboards available in the market with a plethora of benefits. But we know the motherboard is an essential component of your PC, as they provide stability to them, so it should be up to the mark. Therefore, we have selected the best Z370 motherboards, which are great for any game lover or a professional user who is looking for the best of the best. With these Z370 motherboards on our rundown, the performance won't be an issue at all. And with that, we come to the end of our review. No matter what your tastes, I'm pretty sure you'll find something here that works well for you, and I'm confident you'll enjoy it. Until next time, have fun.